This bird can literally copy anything it hears. A chainsaw, a car alarm, even your annoying neighbor yelling at 7 a.m. It's called the lyrebird, nature's top impressionist. It can recreate sounds so perfectly that scientists once thought the forest was haunted. No kidding. It even copies camera shutters and laser sounds. So if you ever hear construction noises deep in the woods, relax. It's just this feathery prankster showing off again. If you think that's wild, wait till you hear about the animal that shoots explosions from its butt. Hit follow before that one drops.